Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today we have a fun tutorial. We are going to do a mixed media tutorial. As you can see, this is an adorable shirt. This is the SVG, that is the April SVG on our Patreon account. It is also available for purchase through our website, and that is also what you will get as your kit through Patreon. And if you don't want to support us through Patreon, you can purchase the kit, which includes all of the vinyls and this shirt as well on our website. I will leave it linked down below. So give me a minute to get this set up and we will go over how to make this shirt. Okay, so today we're going to go over how to make our April box. Now, first thing we're going to do is we need to download the SVG, which is available for purchase on the website, or if you are subscribing on our Patreon account with the $4 a month, you get that file for free. And it is also available as a monthly kit as well. So we're going to go ahead and, as you can see, you're going to go to my Patreon page and go to Betsy Gocher. And we're going to click on the April SVG, that download, and click Save. So now it is on my computer. What we're going to do is go to Upload on Cricut Design Space. We're going to go to Upload Image, Browse, Blessed Mama. There we go. Now it is in my design space and I'm going to click Insert Images. Now, as you can see, everything is all grouped together. We're going to want to set this up to cut. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to click Ungroup. My black pieces, which is actually going to be white because we are doing a navy blue shirt, I'm going to click Weld. Now that is all one piece. Now, this dark pink flower, I'm going to copy and paste, and we're going to move that out of the way. Now for all of the pink, the other pink, we're going to take and weld that together because the dark pink layer is actually going to be in a glitter and the light pink is in the electric hot pink. So we want that all to be one piece. Now we're going to click Weld and we're going to change that color to a different shade because we don't want it to cut the same shade. There we go. Now we need to weld all of the dark green pieces together. Which is just going and holding the Shift key and clicking with the left mouse button next to it. Now that's welded together. Now we're going to do the same thing again with the light green. Okay, so now everything is set up to cut. As you can see, and you want to click Make It, then we're going to take and mirror each piece. There we go. And click Continue. And what we're going to do is we're going to, part of this is in glitter and part of it is in regular iron-on. So we're going to do our glitter pieces first. So you just choose glitter and then we will send it to cut. Now we'll go into how to do this for silhouette. Now, I already have my Silhouette Studio open and I have the business edition. So all that I have to do is take and click the wrong thing. we're going to want to go to Open, Blessed Mama. There we go. Now for silhouette, we do it a little bit different. I want to see my grid lines. Now, as you can see with the way that it is set up right now, if I do my cut, it will take hold on. Let's go back to design. Okay. We are going to ungroup. So now, as you can see, we have several pieces. Now, if we're going to send it to cut, we have to take and select that piece, and then we would send it to cut. And we're going to choose the correct material, which would be heat transfer glitter. And as you can see, it adjusts the blade automatically. And then we would do that with each color. But that's how you set up your cut. Now I'm going to take and cut the vinyl, and we will go over how to put together the shirt. From our tutorial, we have already cut our vinyl, and this is the main part of the rose, which is going to be in rainbow cotton candy, and it is only available on our website in the kit as of right now. It will be added to the individual vinyls later, but as of right now, it is available in the kit only. And with the kit, you get all 5 of the vinyls that you're going to need, as well as the shirt, which is a Bella Canvas slub V-neck in navy. And it is absolutely adorable. This will make a wonderful Mother's Day gift, or you can take and make it for yourself. That's what I did. So, as you can see, that's the rainbow cotton candy. Now I am weeding the Electric Hot Pink by Caesar. This one is by Thermoflex. See how easy that weeds? Now we're going to weed the Caesar Cool Mint. Another beautiful color. And I wanted to use some nice springy colors, but I prefer to have a lot of times a dark shirt. And this is a slub, so it is almost like a burnout. It is super thin in some areas, but that's part of the reason why I like it. It's something different, not everyone is going to have. So let's get all this weeded. There we go. And you don't have to be scared to weed. You will not break your vinyl if that's what you think you're going to do. It's very easy to do. This is the Caesar, no, this is Thermoflex Specialty Materials Rainbow White Glitter, which is what our main text is going to be in. There we go. And the pick is available on our website, as well as the t-shirt guide and all that fun kind of stuff. There we go. And last but not least, this is the other new color for this kit, and it is only available in the kit. And this is the Neon Jade Rainbow. It is gorgeous. I love how easy this weaves. And I know a lot of people ask how I weave glitter so fast. Whenever you take and cut glitter properly, you can see the lines. See right there on where it's split. So it makes it very easy to weed. There we go. Now give me a minute and we will switch over to the other camera and show you how to put this all together. Okay, as you can see, I have my t-shirt loaded onto my heat press with the seams on either side off the heat press, and then I have the collar of the shirt off. Now, since this is a V-neck, we're going to go a little bit higher. This is my 16-inch t-shirt guide because, as you can see, my t-shirt press is 16 by 20. And we're going to start by applying our vinyl. Now, we're going to apply the regular colors first, and then we will take and apply the glitters. Okay, so as you can see, what I'm doing right now is taking and making sure where the flower attaches. There we go. So as you can see, it fits in like a puzzle. And what we're going to do is take and fold that in half. As you can see, I'm measuring with my pink layer because that will give me true center. If I measured just the white layer, then it would not give me true center and it would be off. So there we go. Now I'm going to take and make sure that's lined up and take my 2 pieces of vinyl. And we're going to go, see now my center is on that center mark, and lay it on the shirt and remove the, there we go. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my flower and my white glitter on there, and whenever I hold my hands like this, you can see it's centered on the shirt. We're going to go ahead and remove the white glitter, and we're going to take and cover with the Teflon sheet. Can't forget the Teflon sheet. There we go. And we have the heat press set on 330 degrees, and the first layer we are heat setting for about 3 to 4 seconds because we want the vinyl to adhere to the shirt. We don't want to go for the full amount of time because then if we do that, it will change the shape of the vinyl. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing now is laying the mint, cool mint color where it fits in like a puzzle piece. Let's see. Okay. Hold on, there we go. Okay. Have you ever had those days where sometimes it just seems like nothing wants to cooperate? That's kind of how it is right now. Okay. Okay. And sometimes, as you can see, I take my time. I want to make sure everything fits the way that it's supposed to. There you go. So now we have my mint layer. We're going to take and heat this for 2 to 3 seconds as well. Okay. Now our mint is adhered. We're going to take and And here are, right there, rainbow white glitter. There we go. See how easy that fits in there? There we go. Okay. The pink layer, the mint layer. Now we're going to do our jade. Which goes just like that. There we go. Okay, just a couple of seconds. Ooh. Need to heat that one just a little bit longer. Okay. Now, last but not least is our rainbow cotton candy. There we go. Now we're going to heat this for the full 15 seconds and then we have a done shirt. So give me a minute and we'll change cameras and we'll go over everything we just did. So as you can see, this is an absolutely adorable SVG and this design is super easy to make. And I'm hoping that y'all learned something with all of the mixing of different types of HTVs. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. Again, this will be available for purchase on our website as well as available for our Patreon supporters. And remember, we will be doing our regular scrap box on May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. And I will leave that linked as well down in the description box. And if you are a $1 or more a month Patreon supporter, there is a separate scrap box for that, which we do on the 1st of the month. But I think that's it, and thanks, and y'all have a great day.